my dear students, welcome back to my class in the series of learning data structures through C. In the previous video, we have understood the dry run of the Enqueue and Dequeue code. So we have seen how the Enqueue works, how the Dequeue works, and also the display function is going to display the queue elements. So here we have the program. So let us understand this Enqueue and Dequeue code. So initially we need to include the header file. So we have stdio.h and standard library.h. Then let us declare the functions, that is enqueue function. So enqueue with the arguments. So we have first argument integer, then we have integer asterisk, that is the pointer is used, and we have the integer array. So this is what with enqueue function declaration. Then we will have dequeue function declaration. So we have the dequeue, void dequeue. So it is int, an integer argument, which is integer pointer, then once again integer pointer, then integer array. So we have understood why we require all these arguments. With respect to enqueue, we are going to insert the elements. So first is integer, then second we have integer pointer. We are sending the reference of the, that is address of rare variable, then it is integer array. In case of dequeue, we are sending the address of the front variable. So we are passing pointer, and again we are sending the address of rare variable, so it is pointer and integer array. Then finally we have display. So display function, so we have integer. Once again we need to pass the address of the front variable, then we need to pass the address of the rare variable, and finally integer array. So these three functions we have declared. So let us start from the void main function. Void main. Then we have choice, integer choice, item, that what we need to insert, F for front variable, R for rare variable, then the array name Q. So let me give the dimension as 5. Then we have the initialization for F, that is front variable equal to 0, F equal to 0, then R equal to -1. So let us start with the infinite loop now. So we have the infinite loop. Inside the infinite loop, let us give the message of all the options, like it is 1, which is enqueue, then 2, it is dequeue, then 3, it is display. If want, you can just add one more, which is exit. So we need to have one more case, then you can also have that. So let me have that also. So I just say 4, it is exit. So we can have like this, new line. So this is what the choice you are going to get. Then I put a message saying that enter your choice. Enter your choice, that is you want enqueue, dequeue, or display. So after this we need to have the scanf to accept that choice. So as usual, format specifier %d, store that choice in the variable ch, that what we have declared already. Now, so all these basic things are done. So we have to start with the switch case. I say switch of choice. So whatever choice we have taken, switch of choice. Inside that, the first case, the case 1, it is enqueue. So I just say printf, enter the item. So I'll just say new line, so that proper line spacing you will have. Enter the item to be inserted. clear message. Okay, then enter the item. So I just removed the bracket there. So it is case 1. So I had double bracket here. And okay, enter the item to be inserted. Then I say scanf %d ampersand of item. So I am going to accept the item. Then here comes the function call. I say enqueue. So what are all the arguments we need to pass? This is a function call. So hope you all understand with function. If you have any doubts with function, you can just get back to the C language series and learn how the function works. So I am passing item, then I am passing the address of the rare variable, and I am passing the array name, which is q. So this is what the function call, right? Then I say break. The same way, if it is case 2, I need to call which function? I need to call dequeue. And I need to pass the address of f, address of r, and the array name q. Then again say break. Same way, proceed with case 3. What is case 3? It is display function. So I need to call the function display. Function call of display with the arguments, again 3 arguments, address of f, address of r, and the array name q. So I have explained you why we take all these addresses and how we refer with these variables in the dry run. Any doubts? You can go and check with that dry run, which is in the previous video. So break. The dry run I have not included case 4. Now I am including case 4. So case 4 is what? It is exit. Okay. Then switch block is done. And this for block, infinite block, and the main function. Now let us have the code of all these functions, that is enqueue code, dequeue code, and display code we need to pipe now. So let us have the enqueue code first. I'll say void enqueue. So function definition header we need to write. I say the for. So here we have the actual argument. So in the function call, we will have the actual argument, right? But in function definition header, we will have formal argument. So there in function call, we will have actual argument. In function definition header, we will have formal argument. So I will have the formal argument itm, comma, and so as I am sending the address, I need to receive that with pointer, the same thing that what we have done in declaration. So which one I am sending? I am sending the address of r. So let me have the pointer variable as r itself. Not an issue. If you get confused, you can have a different name. You can completely type rare also, no issues. I'm just having r. So the formal argument r, which is pointer variable. Then I say integer q, the same array name I will have. Then let me write the code of enqueue. If asterisk r equals to size minus 1, or as I have not defined any size, so let me say size minus 1 means in the dimension I have given it as 5, right? You can type it here as 4. R equals to 4. Then what should I do here? If r equals to 4, I say printf q is full or underflow. Q is full. And I say return. right? If not, I say else. I say else. So what will be my else block? I say else asterisk r equal to asterisk r plus 1. Then I say q of asterisk r, q of asterisk r equal to the received item. So that's it with else block. So if r equals to 4, I should get a message the queue is full. Else pointer r equal to pointer r plus 1, then I say q of pointer r equal to item. So we have done with enqueue. So in the same way, we'll start with dequeue. I say dequeue argument int pointer f, because I'm sending both addresses. One is the address of the front and the address of the rear. So two pointer variable, pointer f and pointer r. So you should look at the argument. So first is f, second is r. Okay, fine. So it is pointer f, pointer r. Then I say int array name, which is q. Okay. Now I say a local variable itm inside the dequeue code. I should check if asterisk f greater than asterisk r, then I should get a message saying printf q is empty. If the pointer f is greater than pointer r, I should get a message q is empty. Then there is one more thing I need to do. I should set pointer f equal to 0, reset the pointers, and pointer r equal to minus 1. So these two things we need to be very careful. So we need to do these two things. We need to reinitialize the pointers. Then I say return. If not, then I should have an else block. I say else, I say itm equal to q of which one? Which pointer? Pointer f. Then I say pointer f equal to pointer f plus 1. So which pointer we need to move? So here in the enqueue, what we do? We increase rear pointer, right? But in dequeue, what we do? We increase the front pointer. Then an acknowledgement message for the user saying that printf, I say %d is deleted. %d element is deleted. So that message I need to type deleted. Right? So else block is done and the function closes. So this is with dequeue. %d element is deleted. Right? Now let us have the display code. So dequeue is done. So let us have the display code. Display again int pointer f, comma int pointer r, comma int the array name q. So we have missed d here. Void display. So let us have the code of display now. I say local variable I. Again the same code. I need to check the same code. Let me do the copy paste here only. queue is empty. So I say, so let me save the time here. If pointer f greater than pointer r, I should get a message queue is empty. Then I should say return if this condition true, else if not, I need to display the items. So items has to be displayed. So I just say printf items in queue. Start with the for loop for I equal to pointer f from f to r bound. I less than or equal to pointer r, I plus plus. So this for loop I have discussed while explaining the display code. So items in queue, I say pointer f less than or equal to is missing here. I equal to pointer f, I less than or equal to pointer r, I plus plus. What should I do? I should say printf. The elements I need to print, percentage d, you can have tab space, queue of I. So this is with the else block. So else block is done, then display block is done. So all the functions we have typed. Save the program and run the code. So you will get the message as enqueue, dequeue, display and exit. Let me enter the choice as 1. So it will prompt you to enter the item. I'll say 10. Again you'll get a message. Enter the choice as 1 only for enqueue. Then enter the item, say 20. Again the choice 1 only. Then enter the item, say 30. Again take the choice as 1 only. Then take the item as 40. Again the choice 1. Then item say 50. So we have inserted 5 items, right? But once again I'll say enqueue only. You will also take the element also. But you get a message like queue is full. Now what I can do? I can display the items. See here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 items are displayed and you also get that message once again. Now what I can do? I can do dequeue operation. I'll say 2. See here. 10 element is deleted. Again say dequeue. 20 element is deleted. Again say dequeue. 30 element is deleted. Again dequeue. You say it is 40 element deleted. Again dequeue. The item is deleted 50. Once again when you take the choice dequeue, you get a message queue is empty. And you can also take display also. Say take the choice as 3. Then see queue is empty. Now 4 to exit. So this is what with the enqueue and dequeue code. Hope you have understood with this. That's all for today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.